Thanks for tuning in. You're with Chris at Car Cave USA in Aiken, South Carolina. The website is carcaveusa.com. Phone number is 803-262-4742. And we're doing a walk around of a 98 Defender 90. If you watch our channel, usually we do them indoors. This one, we've done a lot of tuning work to in the past, and it drives out, so we thought it'd be good to combine the walk around video with doing a little driving. Jake's gonna pop out here in 5 or 6 minutes, get behind the wheel and show you how this thing spins around. We'll do a little bit of driving from the outside, then we'll jump in, go down the road. It really gets up and moves. Very sound. It has a upgraded turbo, upgraded intercooler, ECU tune, downpipe. It's a full range of performance tunes. We sold it up to a guy in Virginia, and he's had about the last year and a half. Treated him right. Before it went, we did a lot of maintenance too, so the tires were new, these Hancock Dyno Pros, and went through and did things like put a new windshield in it, resealed all the windshield frame, door hinges, I believe a new back door. We did a backup camera. There's Alpine Halo. You can see the new hinges, tire carrier, mud flaps. The whole thing is really sound, all around great Defender. Has a lot of work done on top of good looking. It's a Td5, so it's a 1998 model year. And we'll walk through here. So you have the 5-spoke black alloy wheels. You have mud flaps all the way around. I said the new hinges, hardware, the Hancock Dyno Pro we put on, which is a 235/85. That's an excellent tire size for these. It keeps it where it's not too lifted. Very balanced. You see the new windshield hinge brackets here, and then new seal here, new windshield. It was a Pilkington that went in, stainless steel hinge pins, hinge flaps. You do have the black checker plate. You can see the clear lenses all the way around. The car does have AC, your upgraded KBX grille, light guards, these KC highlights that we put on, so there's an interior switch for those, obviously. Front skid plate going on. You have your bumper with end caps, your smoked corner signals, your upgraded, side vent. See a new caliper poking in there, and if you want to see all of the service history and the work that we did to it, just ask. We'll forward it over to you. All the paint shows really well. The step bars were on it when we got it, so we'd sourced it originally and brought it over. See the Halo unit here. There is a keyless entry. You have a headliner that was done since it was over here stateside. You have a sunroof. Let's see, what else do we have here? Our switch panel, so you have a USB port and USB-C. It also shows your voltage output, then your switch for the lights, rear wiper. It is touchscreen. There's a backup camera, so we made a cool little bracket for it. CNC door pulls here, so those are upgraded. Those CNC are exactly the cheapest thing out there. Locking fuel cap. You do have a rear step. You have a trailer ball here, logoed rear mud flaps. So I made a little bracket here for your Alpine camera that stays in the middle instead of the cap. It gives it better perspective than having it offset on the tag light or underneath. So we kind of like what we did there. You have LED lights all the way around. So you have your LED rear lights. Replace the two here. So LED rear fog. You have a rear ladder, third brake light, rear defrost, rear wiper. You have your little step bar over here for the ladder to run up, and the rear step. Door card is clean. You have rubber mat and carpet underneath. All your steps here. The storage box would be perfect for putting the rifle in. It can come out if someone doesn't want it, but you see how it's padded there. It's actually in there when we got it. You have seat belts and all the jump seats. You have your interior plastic trim. Looks like a new threshold here in the rear. We'll see if we can get Jake over here to fire this off. So the keyless entry's been working since it came stateside. Usually these are pretty finicky. So you do have a fob remote. see your under dash AC. You have an upgraded steering wheel. Let's get this thing turned on. See if we can get our driver over here. So, good response. You can hear it purring a little bit. I think it's time, Jake. Yeah, do a couple passes and I'll jump in with you. So it does sound good. Tune's been done, set, like I said, about a year ago. If someone wants it modified, we can change it around. So the tune is set a little bit high, so it is fueling up. See if you can do a nice little pass here. As you can see, we have a unique, different selection around here. So it will do a little bit of a wheel hop type burnout. It definitely has some juice. See if we can get around the delivery truck. I'm going to jump in with him. And I don't think he's ever driven this one. He's driven a lot of our tuned Td5s. Get him back up here. We'll do a little driving. I took it out as soon as it got back to us, and and new hood hinges. So you see any hardware here. Sorry, not new hardware. We got Dave over here in his Defender. What do you think on the throttle response?
So far, very nice.
He's on, there's 100. So it definitely gets up and moves. It's no lights working, all the blinkers. Rear wiper. I believe the previous owner disconnected the phone box. This used to have some sirens in there, play musical tones. The lights here to turn it on. Full Bluetooth audio with the backup camera.
Full AC control, under dash AC here.
Middle cubby box. You still have your jack back here.
Still drives nice. You can have it as you can take it on a trip. You can drive it around town. You have plenty of power to be able to go kind of wherever you want.
Yeah, it's not big, lifted, tires overdone. Hancocks drive nice, they feel good. There's not, the most road noise you're going to get is wind. Yeah, wind and from the engine, hearing the beautiful note of that thing spooling.
The other nice thing is this steering wheel is a little bit smaller, so if you get a little bit of a gap.
See the Pilkington windshield here. Oop. There it is. Problem passing anyone on a 2-lane road, downshift, you have good throttle response. You have good, it's tuned very nicely.
Yes, yeah. It brought it into the 2020s that you can actually use it as a vehicle.
Shift smooth.
Yeah, smooth shift, 5-speed.
There's no lights on the dash. Yeah, he was driving it regularly. Did a little bit of maintenance when he had it, but
headlights, high beams. All right there. No, I jump in this car and drive wherever. Drive to Arizona, Texas.
Yeah. Car Cave. It's carcaveusa.com. 803-262-4742. I'm Chris. We got our wheelman Jake. And we're signing off.